This penny stock's on my list to be the next potential runner going into next week. Let's get this video to 100 likes, hit that subscribe button, and let's get straight to it. I've been seeing a lot of hype around this all weekend, and honestly it's starting to look interesting once again, and that is ticker symbol ASST. Remember when I called BYND at 60 cents and everyone brushed it off? Well, yeah, it ran all the way to $9 before the crowd even caught on. If you don't believe me, go check the last video I posted. I'm not saying this is going to be identical, but I'll tell you what, ASST is giving me the same type of vibe. This stock's been grinding sideways around 85 cents to $1 range for weeks, building a clean base while everyone's ignored it, and now we're finally starting to see it break out with volume stepping in. That's the shift you want to see before momentum kicks in. But here's where it gets interesting. The short interest is super high, and not to mention we've got some guy named Ken Griffin buying over 1.2 million worth of shares in the most recent 13G filing. That's not retail, that's big money quietly positioning before the big move. You don't bet against that kind of flow, you simply follow it. Now for me, these are the key levels I'm personally watching. You first have your dollar, which is the base. As long as this holds, bulls are in control. You next have $1.25. This is the first breakout zone. Then you have $1.50 to $2. This is where I think the real fireworks start. This is where a lot of retail starts to take notice. They start to chase and the price would likely go higher. And if this gets the same type of squeeze momentum we've seen in other small caps with high short interest, this could move way faster than people expect, maybe possibly touching $5 plus. Now look, I'm obviously bullish here if you can't tell, but here's what separates real traders from gamblers, and that is discipline. No matter how good a setup looks, you always protect your downside. If it cracks under that base, step out and wait. If it holds and confirms, ride it out with conviction. This thing looks like it's bottomed out, the volume's picking up, shorts are trapped, and big names are loading up. I don't think it's a coincidence, I just think it's a great setup to watch for next week. And if I'm right, we might be looking at another multi-100% runner in the making, similar to when I called BYND. Before I wrap this up, I've been getting tons of DMs asking why the Discord is closed. I opened up spots last week and they filled up pretty fast. So if you missed out, don't stress. The next opening is November 2nd. Mark that date on your calendar because once those spots are gone, that's it until the next round. Inside the Discord, we're breaking down these setups in real time, entries, exits, live updates, everything I talk about here, but in way more detail. So if you're serious about leveling up your trading, make sure you're ready when doors open again. I'll see you guys in the next video.